Yo, what's the deal, YouTube? Man, I ain't gonna lie, I had a straight day at work today. You feel me? It's the morning right now. It's 3:40 a.m. in the morning and shit. And I'm producing content, man. I got off work at 11:30. And I'm producing content for y'all right now. So, you feel me? We about to try. Oh, hold on. Rizzo is in the building. You feel me? Make sure y'all hit that like button, share, comment, subscribe, download. And hit that notification bell so y'all can stay updated to all my new videos that drop. But anyway, we got this